Welcome to this session, and we'll enable developer tab in this session, for which click on File tab. Go to Options. There is Customize Ribbon. In Customize Ribbon there is Developer. Okay. You see something like Developer here? So click on Developer. Okay. And do you see a tab by name Developer? So this is what we have done. We have added a tab for developer. So this is recommended before starting any program development in Excel. So let us look at the sections in developer tab. First thing is the section for code. Second is for add-ins. Third is for controls. Fourth is for XML. Thank you.